Starting around 25 November 2023, Nexo basically is exchanging at $0.7637 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.2% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a significant manner. Nexo explicitly has an in every way that really matters, complete market cap of $427,647,452, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,778,842 in a very significant manner. This essentially makes Nexo exceptionally positioning at 104 in the digital money market in an especially significant manner. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo in every practical sense be especially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Nexo in every practical sense wise speculation or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very critical? Will Nexo cost most certainly outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in an especially large manner? These generally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, or so they sort of thought. Nexo value expectation 2023, as per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost for the most part is supposed to in every practical sense cross a sort of normal value level of $0.8236, the normal genuinely least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to be $0.7851 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Nexo can in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0.8709, which by and large is genuinely huge. Nexo value gauge November 2023, the especially normal cost of Nexo could really go to $0.8074 toward the finish of November 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Nexo could especially be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $0.8305, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.7382, demonstrating the way that Nexo could generally be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $0.8305, with the very least expected cost of $0.7382, or so they certainly thought. Nexo value figure December 2023. The Nexo estimate for December 2023 expects that the Nexo may generally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of $0.8709, with an in every practical sense least cost of around $0.7851, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the especially normal value Nexo can especially stretch around $0.8236 for December, so really is Nexo an especially wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is very huge. Nexo kind of past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been somewhat diminished by 0.19% in its especially current worth, so Nexo sort of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been diminished by 0.19% in its in every practical sense current worth in a truly significant way. Assuming that we truly look at the kind of current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which really shows that besides Nexo can generally arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.8709, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. From very most recent 7 days, the Nexo in a real sense was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 7.36% in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo generally has shown extremely kind of solid genuinely potential recently, and this could be essentially great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the sort of current cost and recent days cost history, it by and large is seen that Nexo sort of has expanded 5.795% in its worth genuinely further appearance, how starting around 25 November 2023 Nexo for the most part is exchanging at $0.7637 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.2% in by and large most recent 60 minutes. Which really is genuinely critical. The very normal genuinely least cost for the month essentially is $0.6814, while fundamentally greatest essentially normal cost in a real sense was $0.7194 in a very enormous manner. This suggests that this coin generally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to sort of your arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change especially is near 9.29%, and the cost certainly circled from a very least truly normal cost of $0.7928 to genuinely greatest kind of normal cost of $0.8551 in the by and large beyond 90 days, showing how discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Nexo can for the most part stretch around $0.8236 for December. So most certainly is Nexo a very wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. In especially most recent 4 months Nexo sort of has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting how the very normal genuinely least cost for the month truly is $0.6814, while genuinely greatest exceptionally normal cost for the most part was $0.7194, which truly is very huge. Subsequently, we essentially believe that comparable pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period in a for the most part significant manner. As per the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Nexo in every practical sense is expanded from 4 months, all things considered, in spite of prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, demonstrating the way that discussing the kind of typical value Nexo can essentially stretch around $0.8236 for December, so generally is Nexo a very wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they basically thought. The coin in a real sense is up by 3.10% with the in every practical sense, greatest kind of normal cost of the coin truly was around $0.6665, and the kind of least in every way that really matters, normal cost of certainly was around $0.6499 in kind of beyond 4 months, demonstrating the way that discussing the exceptionally normal value Nexo can stretch around $0.8236 for December. So generally is Nexo a truly wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a very huge manner. Nexo Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will basically be Nexo certainly worth in 2023? The Nexo cost truly is estimated to explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.8709, with pretty least cost of $0.7851 toward the finish of 2023. So in the event that we certainly look at the kind of current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down. Which truly shows that besides Nexo can basically arrive at an extremely most extreme value level of $0.8709, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Nexo for the most part have a future, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking? As far as cost, Nexo essentially has an exceptional by and large potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, showing how from very most recent 7 days, the Nexo really was in essentially great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.36%, or so they fundamentally thought. It's sort of his estimate that Nexo will increment in a